welcome to our candlelight dinner in the truck.
We just had some really good chicken parmesan and oh man, was it good.
Yeah, and now we're getting ready to have dessert, but we figured we would invite you guys and encourage you guys. Oh, little one just bonked her head. But, yeah, we wanted to just encourage you guys because, I don't know, do you know what's next Friday, babes?
I do.
What is it? It's Valentine's Day. Again, you guys don't have to miss regular life just because you're on the road. And we refuse to. We did for a long time. A very long time. Like, we've ended up having our Valentine's date at Waffle House.
We did?
Yeah.
I like Waffle House.
Me too, but it was the only thing available when it was our date place. So, but after a couple years of then going over the road and things like that, we kind of stopped doing holidays for the first couple years, and then we realized that we were so tired of missing out on life, so tired of having opportunities to love one another, love ourselves, enjoy life, and do what society does. And so, you know, it didn't take a lot. Like, I brought some candles. I'm gonna go ahead and blow those out, so that way they can cool off and get back in their bed. And yeah, I made a nice romantic dinner and then dessert to go with it. So it's a brownie that has 3 different kind of chips in it: peppermint, white chocolate, and milk chocolate. And so all I did is to make it so that we didn't have a whole bunch left over in the truck. I just took the box recipe and cut it in half, and I made it ahead of time. That way it's just been hanging out up there.
And yes, it is gluten-free, and it's not too awful bad.
Well, good, yay! And then when he was still driving, I went ahead and cooked the noodles, put them aside, simmered the sauce, and then when we were almost here, I went ahead and made the garlic toast. Oh, and when I was doing the brownies, I also tucked that chicken in the bottom of the air fryer. And you guys, honestly, like, it made it so easy. So there's still time to plan ahead. Like, I know most of you still have to take a 34-hour reset. So what do you need to do between now and then to make it so you can celebrate Valentine's Day?
A little bit of shopping, ain't much to it. And the gluten-free noodles that come from, where do they come from? Aldi's. They are actually really good. They don't stick like regular noodles. They're
like ones that good. Are they haven't been cooked yet, so it's like a flash boil type thing that you do with them. But yeah, they're really good. The sauce was homemade.
Thanks, Uncle Marty.
Yeah, it was good. I liked it. But seriously, guys, do what you need to do. And even if you're single, like maybe you're a solo driver, because I know we have a good many solos, but we also have a bunch of husband and wife drivers. Yeah. Even if you're like solo, like go into a restaurant and just have good conversation with people. Like, you need to interact, you need community, you need to do things, you need to experience love. Like, that's how we were wired and made. And if you're a husband and wife, like, so many truck stops sell little gifts, cards, all kinds of stuff. Be creative. Yeah, you guys, you got this.
Maybe you could even do a little Google Face chatting or Messenger chatting while you guys sharing a meal. She's at home, you're out working on the road.
That's a
Be
great
creative,
idea.
man. Be creative.
Yeah, that's a great idea. But you guys, we want you to know that we love you and we are so grateful for you guys, and we cannot wait. Like, send us some pictures, send us a video, let us know what you do for Valentine's Day, okay?
I'm gonna eat this brownie right here. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah,
I'm gonna do it too before it gets cold. All right, guys.
Cheers.
Stay safe and enjoy the adventures.